Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Former Economic Program Oversight Committee member and immediate past president of the MSME Alliance, Donovan Wignall, told RJR News that credit unions are now in a stronger position to expand financing to micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. Mr. Wignall argues that credit unions should be given a larger role in the Development Bank of Jamaica approved financial institution program, through which concessionary loans are channeled to MSMEs at rates often lower than those offered by commercial banks. His comments follow the decision by the Bank of Jamaica to allow credit unions direct access to the real-time gross settlement system in the automated clearinghouse network, enabling electronic transfers between financial institutions. Previously, credit unions and their members had to rely on commercial banks to process and clear transactions, resulting in longer transfer times. Jamaica's credit union movement now serves roughly 1 million members and manages assets exceeding 218 billion Jamaican dollars. On Wednesday, June 10, 2026, the VM Financial Group Limited listed its 2026 preference shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. This follows an oversubscribed capital raise that garnered approximately 10 billion Jamaican dollars from investors. The listing represents the first new listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange private market for 2026. The listing ceremony took place at the offices of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The offer, which closed on March 31, 2026, exceeded its target of 8.53 billion Jamaican dollars by approximately 24%, and it comprised 4 classes of shares with tenures ranging from 3 to 10 years and fixed dividend yields between 9.25% and 10.5%. The funds raised will support the group's continued growth, expansion, and strategic investment initiatives. For the trading period of June 16, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 13,287,561 units, representing 37.59% of market sales activities. Productive Business Solutions Limited US dollar ordinary shares with 5,813,958 units, representing 16.45% of market sales activities. Fosterage Company Limited with 5,108,545 units, representing 14.45% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 16, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.97 and buying at $157.05. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.80 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.19 and was bought for $112.39. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.80 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.39 and was bought for $211.59. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your education, experience, network, and skills all contribute to your professional success. Your credit profile should be viewed in a similar way. It's an asset that supports future opportunities. A strong credit score will not guarantee success, but it can remove barriers, increase options, and provide the financial flexibility needed to pursue ambitious goals. The most successful professionals prepare for opportunities before they arrive. So building and maintaining good credit is one of the ways to ensure that when opportunity knocks, you're ready to answer. In our funded and focused feature, so why do some business owners work 60 to 80-hour weeks, then volunteer in multiple organizations, serve on boards, support community initiatives, and spend decades building their reputation, yet never accumulate significant wealth? The answer is uncomfortable, because effort and wealth are not the same thing. Many business owners have mastered the art of working. Far few have mastered the science of wealth creation. The wealthiest people in the world focus relentlessly on acquiring assets that increase value over time. They own companies, real estate, intellectual property, investment portfolios, infrastructure, technology platforms, and equity positions. These assets continue creating value whether the owner is working or sleeping. The average entrepreneur asks, how much can I earn this year? The billionaire asks, what can I own that will be worth 10 times more in 10 years? And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.